This is just basically more what you're doing on page 23. They just added a little twist to it, these negative signs, but don't let them scare you. It really doesn't mean much. Here, all they're telling you is take away the negative. That's all they're telling you. Take away the negative. So we're going to do that. 29c, and we're going to take away the negative, so we're going to turn it into a positive, and 11c. Because remember, when you take away the negative, if there's no negative in front, it's understood to be positive, right? So here we have 29c plus 11c. That is 40c, right? 29c plus 11c. If we work it out, 29, 11, that gives us 10. We carry the 1. That gives us 40, right? 40c, okay? So that's all that negative means. So whenever you see that, just remember, oh, I've got to take away the negative. Here, they're not telling you to take away the negative, so we've got the signs are the same, right? A negative and a negative. So that means we're going to add 20 plus 16, b squared. That's going to be 36b squared. But since both of these signs are negative, our answer is going to be negative. 36 negative 36b squared. Here, there's no sign here, so we know it's positive. That means the signs are different. So when the signs are different, we subtract. So that's going to be 5b, because 16b minus 11b. Watch, 16b minus 11b gives us 6 minus 1 is 5, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So that leaves us with just 5b. And the sign of the bigger number is positive, right? The 16 is bigger than the 11, so our answer is going to be positive. Okay. Here we have a positive number and a negative number, so that means we're going to subtract 41c minus 29c. Borrow from the 4, it's going to become 1. We're going to add 10 to the 1, so that's going to make it 11. 11 minus 9 is 2, and 3 minus 2 is 1, so our answer is 12c. Is it positive or negative? You should have said positive because the bigger number is positive, so our answer is positive. Okay, again we have take away the negative, right? Take away the negative. So 10ab plus 7ab. What's 10 plus 7? 0 plus 7 is 7, and 1 plus nothing is 1. So we have 17ab as our answer. Okay. Here again we have take away the negative, so that's going to give us a negative 6a squared. And we're going to take away this negative, so it's going to become a positive 10a squared. And if we add those together, subtract them, because the signs are different, right? We subtract them. What we get is 4a squared. And I know my answer is positive because the bigger number, 10, is positive. Hope you're getting the hang of this by now. We've got the signs are the same, right? Negative and negative. It might be a little blurry because it's blurry for me, so let me make it clear. Negative 7 and a negative 3. Since the signs are the same, we're going to add. That's going to give us 10m squared. And the signs are negative, both of them, so I know my answer is going to be negative. Okay, again here we've got two negative signs. We've got two negative signs, so we know we're going to add 3ac squared x and 1ac squared x. 3 plus 1 is 4ac squared x. And our answers are both, our add-ins are both negative, so we're going to make our answer negative. Again, we have another one of those take away the negatives. 100 a, b, c. Take away the negative, so that's going to become a positive 60 a, b, c. And 100 plus 60 is obviously 100, oops, 160. A, B, C. Again, the signs are the same, so I add. And since both of my signs are positive, I know my answer is going to be positive. Again, we have take away the negative, BCX minus negative BCX. So this, I'm going to take away the negative, so it's going to become a positive BCX. BCX, positive BCX. So I've got two BCXs, right? The signs are the same, so I'm adding them. So we've got 2 BCX. I've got two negatives, so that means I'm going to add them. The signs are the same, so I'm going to add them. 3 plus 2 is 5, and since both of them are negative, I'm going to have a 5, negative 5y. Here my signs are different, a positive and a negative, so I'm going to subtract. 7 minus 4 is 3x, and the sign of the bigger number, which is 7, is negative, so I know my answer is going to be negative. Okay, I hope that helped, and I hope you get all your homework done. See you guys later.